Come on, kids. Grab your backpacks. We are a little late.
I am still sleepy, Mom.
My legs are tired from yesterday.
I know, sweetie. We walked a lot yesterday. But you had fun, right?
Yes! It was the best day.
Zip up your jacket, Henry. It is chilly today.
Okay, Mom. Zipped up.
Have a great day at school. Be good today.
Bye, Mom. I love you.
I love you too. Have fun. I need more coffee. Good morning, Eileen. You look a bit tired today. Hi, Sarah. Yes, I am exhausted, but very happy. How was your weekend? Did you do anything special? We went to the mega fun theme park yesterday. The kids must be so happy. They loved it. We ate a lot of junk food too. That is what weekends are for. True. But the funniest part was at the end of the day. Really? What happened? We went to the parking lot and couldn't find our car. Oh no! Did you find it? We looked for the car for 30 minutes. William was so stressed. That is frustrating when you are tired. Yes, but then something beautiful happened. Really? What was it? Suddenly, the theme park fireworks started. Wow, you saw the fireworks from the parking lot? Yes. We finally found the car, sat on the hood, and watched the show. That sounds like a perfect ending to a crazy day. It was. We got home late, but we have great memories. I am glad you had fun. Have a good rest today, Eileen.
Oh man, I am late. Hold the elevator! Mr. Davis, I am so sorry I am late today.
Good morning, William. Is everything okay? You are usually early.
Everything is fine, thank you. I just forgot to set my alarm last night.
That happens to the best of us. Did you have a busy weekend?
Yes, we took the kids to the theme park yesterday.
Oh, the theme park. That sounds fun.
It was fun, but we got back very late. I am a bit exhausted.
Say no more. That takes a lot of energy. Kids are tiring. Don't stress, William. Grab a coffee and join the meeting when you are ready.
Thank you so much, Mr. Davis. I appreciate it.
Take your time. See you inside.
Hey, William. Saw you rushing in. Rough morning? Hi, Bob. Yeah, I forgot my alarm. I need this coffee. How was your weekend with the family? It was crazy, but fun. We went to the mega fun park yesterday. Wow. Were there a lot of people? Yes! We stood in line for 1 hour just to ride the roller coaster. 1 hour? That is a long time. It was hot, too. But we bought ice cream and talked in line. It wasn't too bad. But the food was so expensive. Food is always a ripoff there. Tell me about it. I spent $20 on a single hot dog. $20? That is crazy.
The humans finally left the house. Total peace and quiet.
Look, it's paper ball. I caught it.
They left their jackets on the sofa again. Very messy.
Is there any popcorn in the jacket pockets?
No, but this jacket is very soft. I will take a nap here.
Okay, you sleep. I will protect the house from the paper ball.
Good boy. Wake me up when dinner is ready. Anyway, did you win any prizes? Funny you ask. Henry wanted this giant plush bear. Those games are so hard. I know. I threw the ball 10 times. I missed 9 times. And the last time? The last time, I hit the target perfectly. I won the bear. Nice job, Dad. Henry must be so proud. He was. He hugged me so tight. It was a great moment. That makes the long lines worth it. Exactly. All right. I am ready for the meeting now.
What did you do on Sunday, Henry? I went to the biggest theme park in the world. No way! Did you ride the dragon coaster? Yes! I rode it with my dad. It went super fast. Were you scared? No! We put our hands in the air. It was awesome. Wow, you are so brave. And guess what? My dad won a giant bear for me. Your dad is cool. I want to go there next weekend.
That is a beautiful drawing, Rose. What is it?
It is a giant pink cloud. I ate it yesterday.
You ate a cloud? Oh, you mean cotton candy.
Yes! We went to the fun park. I had pink cotton candy.
That sounds delicious. And what is the white rabbit doing?
We saw a magic show. The man pulled the rabbit out of a hat.
That sounds like a wonderful Sunday. Keep drawing, sweetheart.
Okay, Mrs. Clark. I will color the hat black.
Honey, you look happy this afternoon.
Yes. I had a good day. How was work?
It was good. Mr. Davis was very nice about me being late.
That is a relief. Are you still exhausted?
I am a bit out of energy, but the coffee helped.
I told Sarah about our parking lot adventure. We had a good laugh.
The fireworks really saved the night, didn't they?
Yes, they did. Oh, the bell is ringing.
Here come our little monsters.
Dad! Mom, guess what?
What is it, buddy?
I told Leo about the roller coaster. He thinks I am super brave.
That is great, Henry. You were very brave yesterday.
Look at my picture. I drew the magic rabbit and the cotton candy.
It is beautiful, Rose. You are a great artist.
And Leo thinks you are awesome for winning bear, Dad.
I am glad to hear that.
Look at them. They are so full of energy.
I know.
It is wonderful.
So, are you glad we went yesterday?
I was very tired this morning. But seeing them this happy, it was totally worth it.
Yes. It was totally worth it. Best weekend ever.
Where should we go next weekend?
Let's just stay home and relax, okay?
Deal. William, I have to be honest. I am too tired to cook tonight.
I completely understand. I don't want to wash dishes either. Look over there! Luigi's pizza place is open.
That sounds perfect. Let's eat out.
Hey kids! Who wants pizza for dinner?
Me! I want extra cheese!
Pizza, 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 pizza.
Let's go get some pizza. My treat.
Dad, can we get garlic bread too?
Of course we can.
And apple juice.
You got it. Today is a celebration of a great weekend.
And a celebration of surviving Monday.
I am so hungry. Let's go inside.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time.